In this video, I'm going to share the easiest way to grow your YouTube channel in 2021. We're not going to talk about fancy cameras or lighting. You don't have to necessarily be on camera, but you do have to leverage what I'm going to share, and it's really exciting. We're talking live streaming and YouTube Shorts. Stick around.
Brian G. Johnson.
Brian G here, and to grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message. Do that by subscribing, and to really jumpstart your channel, check out my free YouTube Masterclass, link in the description. I have made countless videos on YouTube growth, getting views and subscribers. And along the way, I've driven 10 million views, but I have never been more excited about where YouTube is right now and what you can leverage to grow your channel quickly. You see, here's what's up. If you want the really short, condensed version, you should start publishing YouTube Shorts immediately. If you want to know what to do, how to think about it, and some really powerful strategies, keep watching. You see, YouTube Shorts has been in beta now for a while, and it means a huge opportunity for those creators that are creating shorts. All you need to create shorts is a mobile phone, just like this. And the reason why it's such a huge opportunity for you is there are very few shorts being published when we compare to the demand of viewers. That is how many views are being watched every day for just YouTube Shorts. And don't take my word for it. YouTube has recently said that there are more than 3.5 billion views to shorts every single day. Every single day. This is Susie. She's got less than 2,000 YouTube subscribers, and check this out. One of her YouTube Shorts has driven more than 17,000 views. And this is Dom, and his first short has driven more than 9,000 YouTube views. And here's a brand new channel. It's 4 weeks old. It has less than 1,000 subscribers, and they started publishing shorts days ago. And one of their shorts videos has driven more than 130,000 YouTube views. That's a lot of views. Mobile phones are responsible for more than half of the views on YouTube. And when you access the homepage, you're gonna see Shorts Beta. The only way you can appear here on the homepage of millions and millions of viewers is if you publish a YouTube Short. Creating shorts is easy. Number one, guess what? They're short. That means less editing, less fussing. You don't have to have some master plan or amazing video idea. You just have to make a good YouTube short video. And because they take less time, it makes it easier for you to publish more and still maintain traditional long form videos. That part is important. I'm gonna explain as we continue. Keep watching. For example, I got the idea for that YouTube short and it was published in less than 15 minutes. From idea to publish short, 15 minutes. And most of the views came from the short shelf, meaning I would not have gotten those views. And check it out, these subscribers if I wouldn't have published that video. Not bad for 15 minutes of effort. So how do you move forward and drive views with YouTube Shorts? First of all, your video has to be filmed vertical. Second of all, when you create your video title, use the hashtag shorts. One of the things we're seeing is shorter videos seem to do better. Try to strive for around a 30-second short video, maybe even as short as 15 seconds. This short, for example, was only 12 seconds. And make your shorts fun, engaging, and snappy. As in quick. In the next few days, I'll publish a video on the app that I use for iPhone and Android. Completely free, makes creating shorts really easy. You may want to consider subscribing. However, and this is really important, you don't want to just jump on the shorts bandwagon and forget traditional long form content. Even more important is you want to think through what you want your channel to become. If you want a big channel, lots of subscribers and lots of money, then do this. Focus on publishing 3 types of content as you move forward. One traditional long form video. So in other words, a video around 5 minutes, and strive to keep people watching for 3 minutes. And publish one short. They're not terribly intensive. They won't take you hours and hours. So that's pretty easy to do. One regular video and one YouTube short. And then lastly, as you move forward and grow, begin to live stream. And here's why. When you live stream, it's gonna create a stronger bond between you and the community, the subscribers you wanna gain. They're gonna be more likely to come back to your channel. They're gonna be more likely to tip you, give you super chats, which is a tremendous way to make lots of money. Now, does that mean that live streaming is going to help you grow? Well, not traditionally. It's really interesting. You typically won't get a lot of new subscribers from a live stream, and fact of the matter, you may even lose some subscribers, but they were never really your subscribers or fans in the first place. However, the people that really dig what you're doing, the videos that you're publishing, will come back to your live streams, will watch more of your videos when they're able to participate with you live. It's a deeper connection here on YouTube. So the thing I want you to think about is begin by simply publishing one regular video each week and one YouTube short. And by doing this week after week, you'll get into a routine, you'll find your rhythm, and you'll start to grow, at which point then consider adding live streaming to the mix so you can get some of that super chat money yourself. Now, something that's really important is you want to leverage YouTube keywords. Keywords are a great way to drive more views to the videos you publish. And the video on the screen right now will walk you through how to use keyword phrases to dramatically boost your views. Click and watch. I'll see you there. You dig?